Hey friends, round number 5 on day 5,223 and my 71st birthday with Dr. M, the Incredible Buffalo Thief. So what we're doing right now is a little bit of breath work. We've just done some kettlebells in round number 4, so now we're just going to do a little midway through our primal nature play, a little bit more body weight calisthenic sort of thing with the breath. So let's look at the pattern. We'll go through it three times. So we're going to start with bring our fists forward, push the thoracic spine back, curl the pelvis under a little bit, and there's your exhale. Hold on to the front of the hip bones, press forward. Then interlace behind your back and press down and lift up. Adjust your breathing to what we're doing. Prayer position all the way up and over, and straighten, elbows out to the side. This is a great one to do partway through your movement practice. Because it gives you good feedback on how your body is responding to what you're doing. And then repeat. Now we're just going to do 3 repetitions of this, but you can do many more. Listen to your body. And then we're going to do what I call open the gate. It's from a Qigong form. So what we do, bend elbows, just make relaxed fists, and we open the gate, bring it up, wrap it around, pull it down. So you got your inhalation to exhalation. And then we're going to reverse it. And then what I'm going to do is one more round of that first sequence that we did. Because what you'll find lots of times is after you've done a few repetitions, you'll note the increased mobility and the renewed vitality, so you're ready to move forward into your next rounds. So here we go. So I could definitely feel in that last one the increased vitality, the sense of well-being that just encourages me to do some more primal nature play out.